What if your computer could literally work for you? Not just answer questions, but actually do things. I'm talking about organizing your files, building applications, running commands, even controlling your computer while you are not home. Now, that's exactly what I tested, and honestly, it feels like the future. Are you guys excited? Let's get started. So today I'm showing you something called Manus, my computer, right? And this is not your typical AI tool, because until now, AI has mostly lived in the cloud, right? But this, it brings AI directly onto your actual computer. And the result is kind of insane, guys. Let me show you. But first, let me explain. So here's the problem with most AI tools right now. They can tell you what to do, but they can't actually do it for you. You still have to open the files, run programs, organize everything manually. It's like having a smart assistant that refuses to touch anything, right? Yes, indeed. But the good news is that Manus changes that. With my computer, your AI gets two major powers. It can access your local files and it can run commands directly on your machine. So instead of saying, hey, how do I organize my files? You just say, organize my files. And it actually does it. Let me give you some real examples. Imagine you have a messy folder with hundreds of files. So instead of spending hours sorting everything, you just tell the AI the following: organize this folder into categories. And it scans everything, understands what each file is, and sorts it automatically. Awesome, right? Yes, indeed. Or let's say you are dealing with invoices like every day, right? You are an accountant. You can say the following: rename all files in this folder using this format. Done in seconds. Isn't that cool? Yes, it is, because no more manual work. I love it. But here's where it gets crazy, guys. You can literally ask it to build a desktop app for you. And that, like, from scratch, literally. So no coding, you just describe what you want and it writes the code and it runs it, debugs it, packages it, all on your computer. Now this is something that used to take hours or days to a real team of developers. Now it can happen in minutes. And to be frank, this might be my favorite part. You can control your computer from your phone. So imagine this. You are outside, right? And you suddenly need a file from your PC. You just open the app and tell Manus, find that file and send it to me. Your computer becomes like a remote controlled AI machine. Sounds scary, right? But the power is right there. Manus, do it for you. Now you might be thinking, okay, but there are other AI tools. Yes, but here's the difference. Most AI tools are either cloud only or super technical to set up, or insanely expensive. This is the truth. Here, with one-click setup, it works on Mac and Windows and runs continuously in the background. So it's not just powerful, it's actually usable. And the real magic happens when you combine tasks, right? So for example, you could say, take my video files, clip them for social media, create thumbnails, organize them into folders, and generate a list of links. And it just does everything, end to end. Isn't this unbelievable? It's crazy where AI is heading, guys. So yeah, this isn't just another AI tool. This is more like turning your computer into a personal AI worker. And once you start using it, going back to doing everything manually feels kind of painful. If you guys want to try it, check the link below. You get as well 1,000 credits for free. You're welcome. and let me know what would you make your AI to do first. Drop a comment down below and drop as well a like if you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, do let me know. I'm here to help you, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI case studies like this one. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one. Bye bye.